Remove the seal and unscrew the plastic cover on the existing pump-out nozzle. Clean the spare-ring with a clean cloth in the original vacuum port and insert the O-ring number 1 into groove on existing port. Screw on the brass part number 2. Check the correct position of the O-ring. Now unscrew the brass part 1/4 back so the air can be released during the next step. Assemble the stainless steel part number 4 and press it into the stop. Screw fully the brass part number 2 using special tool item 5. Now you are done and your cryogenic container is protected.